The TP-Link EAP620 HD is an advanced Wi-Fi 6 access point designed to provide ultra-fast internet speeds with its dual-band capability reaching up to 1,800 megabits per second. This device is particularly well suited for high-density environments thanks to OFDMA and MU-MIMO technologies, which greatly enhance network capacity and allow simultaneous connections for multiple devices. Its sleek and compact design not only saves space, but also ensures easy installation, making it an ideal choice for modern offices, hotels, classrooms, or cafes. The EAP620 HD integrates seamlessly with the Omada Software Defined Networking platform, offering various control options including hardware, software, or cloud-based controllers. With remote cloud access and compatibility with the Omada app, users can manage their entire network from anywhere, providing convenience and flexibility. Multiple powering options, including PoE Plus and passive PoE, make the installation process straightforward and adaptable to different setups.